Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS, LTS, and Botpress installed. Create a new bot project and pick your primary language so intents align. Initialize storage, use built-in SQLite for quick tests, or connect a local Postgres for persistence. Once done, open the Botpress Studio and scaffold a simple welcome flow. This gets the runtime, content types, and training config created automatically, so you can focus on building intents and actions without wasting time on trivial settings. Now you design intents and flows. Add 6 to 10 core intents and seed them with diverse example utterances so the NLU learns robust patterns. Create flows using triggers and transitions. Link nodes to call custom actions when needed. Implement slot filling to collect user data, and write small, testable actions in JavaScript to call APIs or database operations. Make sure to train the NLU after updates. Once trained, simulate conversations to iterate on ambiguous intents and refine confidence threshold. Finish by deploying to staging using Docker or Botpress Cloud and wire your channel connectors like web chat or Telegram. Verify environment variables, secrets, and webhook endpoints. Monitor runtime logs, NLU confidence scores, and active user sessions to spot failures early. If something breaks, reproduce the issue locally, inspect server logs and request payloads, and then tweak intent examples or confidence thresholds accordingly. Make sure to add automated tests for critical flows so regressions are caught before production rollout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.